Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Honor Magic V6. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and what are we going to do is we're going to clean our screen first. So this is very important. This is our cover screen and the main screen is inside. So we're going to get to the main screen later. Now we're cleaning the cover screen, and here, if we have a screen protector, the original one applied, what you guys want to do is make sure to not remove it. Sometimes it can void your warranty, but if you already removed it and you, let's say, don't have anything on your screen right now, you should go over and basically make sure that you just get a good screen protector and apply it perfectly so it doesn't go over the screen and etc. What are we gonna do now is we're simply gonna grab the phone like this, and here, as you guys can see, we got our screen. What are we gonna do is we're gonna clean it a little, and once we clean it, what are we gonna do is we're gonna force restart our phone. So we're gonna press the power button and the volume up button. From here, we're pressing the power button and volume down button. Of course, ignore the screenshot, it is normal. We need to hold it for around 10 seconds until the screen goes dark. And as you guys can see, I let go, so I just have to redo the process. It's pretty simple. You have to hold two buttons at the same time for 10 seconds. Now the screen went dark, you can let go of two keys, and you should see that it is turning back on. So we got the Honor logo, and soon we should see the Magic OS. Forced restarts are definitely faster than normal restarts. And here, what are we going to do after that is we're going to update our software as a last resort. So let's wait for the phone to load up and we'll get right into it. As you guys can see, it was really fast. We're going to unlock the phone and go straight to settings. Here we swipe down to system and updates and we click on software update. As you guys can see, it is checking automatically. My version is up to date. We can even double check that. And if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating, because it's very important that you don't have any old glitches on your device due to the old software version. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.